No balance? No problem. Here's how to get emergency credit using the CelcomDigi app in Malaysia. First, open the CelcomDigi app on your phone. Now log in with your CelcomDigi number. After entering the app, tap on the reload section. Here you'll see an option called Talktime Advance or Emergency Credit. Tap on it. Now the app will show the amount you can borrow, like R3, R5, or $10. Choose the amount you want, then tap Confirm or Next. Done. Your emergency balance will instantly be added to your SIM. Remember, when you reload next time, the borrowed amount plus service fee will be deducted automatically. And if you don't see the Talktime Advance option, your SIM may not be eligible yet. Using regular reloads can help unlock the feature later. Follow TECHLOAD for more Malaysia SIM and tech tips.